Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. Trust, but verify Reagan's words. Get it in writing. Mine. Look, many of those listening to this are leaders of medical groups with contracts with facilities of one sort or another. An exclusive radiology contract, an anesthesia contract at an ASC, and so on. Even for a solo doc, contract with an employer. You know, you may have a marvelous relationship with, say, the facility administrator. You've known this man or woman for 23 years, and their word has been their bond, but now it is time to negotiate another agreement, and you get to some deal point, and they say, well, you just have to trust me on this. You know, you might trust Sally more than you trusted your own mother. And I'm assuming you loved your mother and that you trusted her. But how do you know Sally is going to be there when it comes time to calling for enforcement of that point? How do you know that Sally isn't going to be strong-armed or pressured by her boss when it comes to enforcing that point? I'm not saying this has anything to do with, but don't you trust me? It's yes, I trust you. But what if you're not here when it comes time to enforce what you're saying you'd agreed to? Now, if it's impossible to get that in writing, then I suggest that you consider that you don't have it at all. And if you can accept the fact that you don't have it at all, and it would be a nice to have, but not an absolutely I must have it, then go ahead and do the deal. But don't complain, and don't blame yourself when you later need to enforce that agreement, only to find out that the agreement isn't real. The agreement never existed. I never said that. Well, how do I know what she said? I'm the new administrator. You get the idea. And by the way, you can trust me on this.